Okay, we've got Mommy and Gwen and Sparkle, the yearling from her that she's being mean to. Whoa. And we got the babies over there. It's a zoo. Oh. Phil's under the deck. Poor little Sparkle. Mommy? Uh-oh, she's going towards the babies. Sheesh. Poor little Sparkle.
Come here, Sparkle.
See if I can walk without falling off of this deck. Gwen, you want to go in your bedroom and eat? I can see Sparkle's ear over there. It's like in the brush right behind Mommy.
Hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy. Hey. Come here. Come here.
There's some babies.
Come over.
That's Mommy. Oh, there's Sparkle over there. Poor thing. Sparkle is the baby that we had in our house and garage last year. We love her. I don't know what it is. Nobody's ever been there since we've lived here. Can you throw one as far as... there she goes again. Okay. Now there's going to be a cat fight behind me. Daniel, go away. Leave her alone. I'm going to go let Gwen in.